Well, hello everybody. This is going to be something a bit different than my usual videos. When I put out my first GoPro video, or one of the first ones, Darren from Savage North Gardens commented that he liked the wide angle because it showed more of the garden and the area around it. It gave you a better perspective of where everything was taking place at. Well, I've always had plans that when I get the GoPro and get used to using the thing, of doing another video inside the cabin. The cabin is really quite small. It's only 8 feet wide by 13.5 feet long, and with an ordinary camcorder lens in there, it's impossible to do what I would call a decent shot of showing what's actually there. No matter where you go, you can't seem to get back far enough with the camera. So I bought a gizmo, and I'll show you the gizmo in just a second here. It's the turntable type thing that you mount the GoPro on top of, and then mount that on top of a tripod. And it will make one complete revolution in an hour. You wind it, and it makes one complete revolution in an hour. And I've set the camera to take time-lapse photographs, one photograph every second. And with the GoPro software, editing software, I can put that together into video clips. So I'm doing one inside the cabin, one inside the hoop house, and one between the cabin and the hoop house to give you an idea of what that overgrown garden area, what I call a garden area anyway, with all the warts and weeds. You get a look at what it looks like. And then I think to conclude with, I'm going to take the one of the cabin and show it to you again in black and white. I've already seen it in black and white. I've done that clip, obviously, from what I'm saying here, and I like the looks of it in black and white. The inside the hoop house and the garden, not so much, so I won't bother putting those up, but I'll put the cabin one back up for you to see in black and white. So what follows is 3 little video clips done of time-lapse photography. Well, this is the contraption that I'm talking about. It's a clockwork timetable type thing. It just fits on top of a tripod, and with one of the attachments you attach your GoPro camera to it, and you can set it at various lengths of time to do various amounts of a revolution, I guess. I do the entire hour, and in an hour it will make the camera do one complete 360-degree turn, and I have the camera set to take one frame every second, and then with the GoPro software I can convert those. It'll be several thousand photographs when it finishes in an hour, 2,000 or 3,000 photographs, I guess. I can convert those into a time-lapse video and play them at whatever speed I want to play them. So those are the 3 clips that you will be looking at right away here. And this is the setup in the hoop house. Just waiting for the bell to ring. It's almost finished its hour when those 2 lines match up. That's the full revolution. Hopefully there won't be any wind for the next hour. That is the setup to take the video of the garden area here. Not so sure how much you're going to actually be able to see when it finishes, but we'll know in a few minutes, I guess, or at least in an hour. Well, as I promised, this is the last clip, and it is the same one that I started with, the same time lapse that I started with, only it's in black and white. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you got something out of seeing these. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.